Hello, my friends. Have you ever done an experiment to see if something would sink or float? Maybe you put a bunch of different objects into water and observed which ones sink or stay on top of the water or float, go down to the bottom. Okay? If you have done an experiment like that, you probably find out that usually the heavier objects will sink down to the bottom and the lighter objects will float on the top. So if you put a rock in the water, rocks are usually a little bit heavier. They'll sink, but if you put a feather in the water, it floats. Okay? So, what do you think? A boat, is it heavy or is it light? Well, boats are heavy, right? Most boats are heavier than a rock is, and a rock sinks. So, how are boats able to float on the water? That is quite the mystery, but the answer is actually pretty simple. Okay? Have you ever been in water and you're swimming in a pool and you splash? Splash, 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 splash. When you splash, you are making a force called buoyancy. Okay? Buoyancy is a force that pushes up. Gravity, we know, is the force that pushes down. Okay? When you splash on water, you're making buoyancy, which goes up. So, when a boat goes into the water, it makes some splashes too. Okay? The splashes make the buoyancy, which pushes up. So, the splashes that a boat makes have to be heavier than the boat. Okay? Because the splashes that the boat makes make the buoyancy, which is the force that pushes the boat up. All right? And does it make sense that the buoyancy would have to be stronger than the gravity for a boat to float? Yeah, because boats don't sink, they float. So the buoyancy, which pushes up, is stronger than the gravity that pushes down. All right, my friends. Thank you for listening. I'll talk to you soon.